Hi, I'm Norman of Rockland's Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about important things to do during January, one of the coldest months of the year. We do get the occasional freezing from time to time, and a lot of your subtropical and tropical plants aren't going to like that too much. So if you're looking at your weather app or you're looking at the news channel and it says we're going to have some freezes tonight, you definitely want to turn off your irrigation because you don't want icicles all over your nice plants. You can always cover them up with some blankets. If they're in a pot, you can always just bring them inside the house where it's nice and warm. Mulch the root system to keep it warm. It's like adding a little sweater for your roots. Now is a pretty good time to start sowing your winter rye. It comes up really fast. It definitely loves the colder months here in Florida. January is another good time to plant some of the cool season annuals, such as your petunias, violas, phloxes, geraniums. Herbs, they definitely like the cool weather here in Florida. You could definitely plant them in the summertime, but they definitely struggle. So cool season is definitely the time to start doing herbs. Dust. So in January also, you won't be really fertilizing any of your houseplants, but it is a good time to wash off a lot of the dust. You can either just hit them with a hose or take them in the shower with you. The dust actually blocks a lot of light and also clogs up the pores in the leaf of the plant. January is a good time to start pruning your dormant trees like our crepe myrtles here. You can see that they're losing a lot of the leaves. Now is a good time to prune them back, take a lot of the older branching off. Come springtime, they're going to be flushing out with a whole bunch of new growth. Thank you for watching our What to Do January video. Don't forget to plant your tree on Arbor Day, January 17th. Plant a tree.